Salam, hello and welcome. And today we are going to do detailing, which I like. It's cleaning, shiny, beautiful stuff. To this KTM. And I'm loving this bike. It just looks awesome. And it looks so aggressive. Now, I would like to address the condition of this plastic. It looks old and it looks tired, and there are some sticker marks, some weird marks. Apparently, the heat shield behind the exhaust on this part is not there, I believe. Yeah, it's not there. So there's a bit of molten plastic here. So I'm going to try to use a sticker remover and see how far can we progress with this plastic. I can see some of the stains are actually being removed. That's a good sign. Actually, this sticker remover sometimes amazes me because it works like magic. And that is significantly better. Please take a minute. Like the video. Not even a minute, less than a minute. Just like the video. Share it with your friends. Comment. Ask me any questions you would like to ask me. I'll be more than happy to answer that and share my knowledge. And please subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss on the videos that I upload for you. And that is not bad at all. Now I'm having higher hopes for this one. Now I think that this one will look even better when I'm done with it. And take a good look at this one, because we are going to see the after soon. Now that is significantly better compared to what it used to be. It's not 100%, but at least it's clean. So I'm going to try a plastic polish product, and if it works, I will post the link in the description. Certainly feels smoother, but we are not quite there yet. Now I would like to try the flame hack on these discolorations. With everything that I did, this looks better. It's not quite there yet, but I don't think we can get it any better than this. Except for the front wheel fender, this panel is the worst on the bike. So let's see how far can we improve it. Obviously, the polish has brought better results with the black plastic rather than the colored one. Maybe I can get some shiny surface over here, so I will try to do some metal polish. And for that, I'll use the metal polishing pad. It's just any pad, but I dedicated this one for metal polish, and then I'm going to use a metal polish compound. That is much better looking already. I'm going to try with the clutch reservoir, but I'm not having any high hopes for that. From the chips, you can see it's been chrome plated. Are we going to restore it and give it some shine? We can only try it, and let's see how it's gonna go. Now that is looking better already. It's not 100%, but there's only so much you can do to hide the age. Now I would like to address the situation of these wires. Now I will address the exhaust situation because it's not ideal, but I can do this one right now, so let's do it. Now there are some rusty bits here, and one of the best tricks to actually remove rust from chrome is with aluminum foil. So and that as good as it gets. Yeah, and look at that. It's leaking oil after riding. That is not a good sign. And that is leaking right from here. That's leaking from the stator side. My initial thought is that the crank oil seal is bad and it's leaking. As soon as I get the gasket for the stator, I'm going to open it and take a look, and then I'll decide what I need to do. Right, so I'm left with this front fender, and it's in such bad shape. Boy, you can see that one or two things. Either there was a sticker here, and then this was subject to sun heat, or it's actually the paint is what caused that damage. You can hear how rough the plastic is. I'm going to try to remove this paint. There are a couple of options that I have. I'm going to try WD-40 and see how it works. If it doesn't work, then I can try brake lean or even brake fluid. So I'll spray straight here. Then I'll try on this one. Yeah, nothing. Yeah, absolutely nothing. So this is not gonna work. Okay, my second choice will be brake leaner. And that's also not removing this paint. Brake fluid. Unfortunately, nothing is removing this. I may just have to replace the whole fender. I could sand it, but it would be a lot easier to replace this fender and get a brand new one. I would love to get rid of this monstrosity. It looks horrendous. And yeah, check this out. Abu Dhabi Baja Challenge 2025. This bike was in the race last year. Thank God, and this can go to trash now. You know, at the beginning I thought that the front fender is beyond repair, which I still think is the case, but I could be wrong, so it's worth trying. It's worth giving it a shot. Right, I'm going to try using this abrasive wheel on the plastic with the grinder. Okay, I'm going to detach this black plastic brace. Well, now I'm having trouble with the screw because it keeps spinning and it's engraved deep down there. Removing these two bolts, which are 8 millimeters. Take a look here. That was spray painted. I'm not going to worry at this stage of making any scratches because this is not finished yet. And this bolt is 13 millimeters as well.
15 minutes later.
So I'm going to remove some of the plastic from around the bolt so I can stick a nut socket in there. I think now we can get it in there. Oh yeah, I don't think this bolt has ever been removed before. Yeah, it's breaking now. And I had to spray WD-40 on the nut below because it was really rusty. Now this one also was spray painted. I might actually do the same. Now I guess we can call this hard detailing or detailing the hard way. Tell me in the comment, what do you think? Is this smart or is this stupid? I thought we're gonna try anyway. Alright, full disclosure. Working with high-speed rotary tool on the plastic was a mistake because it did melt the surface layer, which helped removing the stupid paint, but the debris was immense and cleaning that was horrible. Learn from my mistakes, go straight to sanding. Start with higher grit, around 200, maybe 300, and then work your way up to 5,000 or even 10,000 if you can. I'm moving on to 3000 grit sanding paper. Now I'm moving to 5000 grit sanding paper, and this will be my final sanding stage. Now the last step is already done. Unfortunately, the camera was off by mistake, and I've given this fender a clear coat of paint. That's an executive decision right there, clear coat of paint. Well, I'm done with the clear coat, so I'm taking off the masking tape now. And now the last thing to do is to install this brace piece. And I already have painted this black and given it a clear coat, and it looks nice and shiny like new. And that's it. I'm officially done with this fender until I get the graphic kit and no more work on it. But at least it looks decent. The bike looks decent now. And I'm loving this bike. It just looks awesome. And it looks so aggressive. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned because there will be more videos about this KTM bike. I'm going to transform it. Take care, be safe, and do it yourself.